Okay, cool. So we're out here looking at the EX250J engine today. What we're doing at the moment is we're going to tighten up this clutch nut. Don't remember in the last video whether I fully did that up or not, but I knew I had to come back and re-tighten that. The actual tool that I've got for the ZX10s doesn't actually fit in the EX250J thing, so that's really good. Would recommend. So that is the CT004 model from EBC. Use this for the ZX10 engine. What year model? I think I've used it on 06, 07, all the way up to 16. But don't quote me on it, but I've definitely used 06, 07. I've definitely used it on 2016. So really good, would recommend, really easy on holding these clutch baskets. Today, what we're going to try out, got sent these, or ordered these from MX Store, so thanks for that, guys. Paid for and everything. Are the Ballard's adjustable clutch holder tool. It's like a multi-grips, but got some angled end pieces. So we're going to give that a go. I'm going to see if it fits in there, see how well it is to hold. Cool, and we'll set it all up and give my impressions. Never used one before. Always gone the ring style one, but that's okay. We'll give it a go. Cool. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep expanding it out until, and I'll show you in a second what I'm talking about. I'm presuming this is how I use it. Never actually used them before, but we'll soon find out. Cool, so I'll bring that around. As you can see, the arms sit in these clutch teeth grooves, one on either side. So what we're going to do is I'm going to tighten this up maybe a little bit more, be able to hold this, and then use my trusty torque wrench. This one only goes up to about 120, I think it is, so I'm going to have to go a little bit tighter than this one allows. I might buy another one, another heavy duty one in the future, but this should be okay for now. So cool, so it's 136, don't quote me on it, just a sec. Cool, it's actually 132 newton meters of force, or 97.4 foot-pound. So we're going to do that up as close as we can get that with the tools that I've got, and that'll be that nut there. So we'll get that all set up. So this is a 27. Yep, it's a 27. So I'm going to unlock this, twist it all up as far as I can, which will go to about 120. That's about 120. Cool. We're going to lock that in. Cool. Cool. We're going to hold one with one hand and do it up with the other. That's a lot of foot-pound. Just trying to find a nice way to hold this. Whew. Whew. Oh, that's 120. Want to go a little bit past that. Ugh. Oh, cool. That's not coming off anytime soon. Cool. Now, let's give my thoughts. Really good tool. Really, I think I paid $40 or something for it. It's not too bad at all. So just going to do it up and put it away. So I'll just show you the teeth of the clutch afterwards. I'm not too sure whether you can tell which one I've put it on. Fairly confident it was this one here. There's no marks inside it. There's no marks on the bottom one. Really good tool for something in a pinch. You know, and it's adjustable. It suits many bikes for 40 bucks delivered. Can't complain. I think it's about 40 bucks delivered. Can't complain. Nice heavy construction. It didn't bend, break, or anything like that with a lot of poundage on it. Didn't chip away at anything. Didn't break any of the teeth off the clutch basket. I'd probably give it a 4 out of 5, I reckon. I do prefer something like that, simply because it's got more points to close on. That's my thoughts. I'm not having to worry about whether one particular tooth is going to get snapped off. Shouldn't happen, but you know, that one just gives me a little bit more peace of mind. But by all means, that worked completely fine. As you saw, I put it on the bench and just kept pressuring down the torque wrench. Nothing happened to it. Yeah, so 4 out of 5, I reckon. Maybe just trying to think. Maybe if they had 2 on each end, where you could join 2 teeth, that way you're splitting the weight over 2 or something like that. But yeah, not too sure. No issues with it whatsoever. Doesn't feel lightweight or you know, flimsy or anything like that. Held everything I wanted to. So yeah, pretty happy with it. Was able to get away with it, and probably half the price of one of those. So cool. So that's all done up now. Excellent. Gonna put that clutch holder away now. What am I gonna do? Not drop the camera? That'd be noise.